guys, hope you're doing well today. This video is going to be a little bit different for my channel because this is going to be a Tipsy tutorial, and it's actually a collab with two of my really good friends here on YouTube. I'm collabing with Beauti By Angela and Lipstick, Lashes, and Wine. They're two really good friends of mine. I would love to meet them in person. And Angela, she does a ton of get ready with me's, and she posts like almost daily, so you guys definitely need to check her out. And she's also doing some project pans, and you guys would really like her. Also, Lipstick, Lashes, and Wine, or Shai. She's really funny, and I just love her style aesthetic. She's just really cool to me, and she does a tons of different videos on her channel. So we were just talking one night, I think it was St. Patty's Day, and we were like, we should do a Tipsy tutorial, which I think was a really fun idea, and I saw Liv Loves Her Makeup do this, so I'll link her video down below. I think other people have done it on YouTube as well, but hers is the most recent one that I've seen. So I'm already 2 beers in, I'm drinking some wine, and Angela actually sent Shai and I these really cute glasses. It just has like little kiss marks and lipsticks on it. I have some Franzia White Zinfandel because I am hella classy, and I had 2 Blue Moons before this, and yeah, I mix my drinks, whatever. Beer and wine don't really mess with me that much. It's more when I mix like liquor and other alcohol is when I am really hungover the next day or my stomach hurts. But anyway, I think this is a really fun video, and I would love to see you guys do a Tipsy tutorial. If you're of age, please do not do this if you're under 21. But anyway, let's get into this Tipsy tutorial. I'm gonna warn you guys now, I'm doing a somewhat basic look, but I'm gonna apply glitter to it just because I'm really tired. I will probably, well, honestly, I'll probably continue drinking a little bit, get a shower, and then I'll probably relax. I've had a really long week at work for the past like month or so, so I do want to relax a little bit, and I already had makeup on today, took it off to apply this makeup, which I'm probably going to take off right after this video. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling, and I already primed my eyes with my Smashbox eyeshadow primer. Set my lids with an Urban Decay, like matte, somewhat shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply this NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Cottage Cheese to give myself a more sticky base. So I honestly haven't used my Modern Renaissance palette a whole lot just because I'm doing my Pan That palette and my Project Pan porn, so I want to use it today. I'm going to do the exact same look pretty much that I did today, which I loved. It was like a gold lid and a berry crease. I also posted on my Instagram that I am filming this tonight, and I asked you guys to leave me questions in the comments, which thank you so much. I didn't expect to get so many comments, and I'm going to go through them. I'm not sure if I'm going to get to all of them, but I will go through them in future Get Ready With Me videos. So the first one is from my friend Makeup with Lisa I, or my friend Lisa. You guys know Lisa on my channel. And she said, what is your favorite wine or drink of choice? So I'm actually just going to get some product on my brush. I'm going to go in with just like a transition shade. So I'm going to go in with burnt orange, I guess. And I would say my favorite wine, I prefer sweet reds. Just in general, I love Arbor Mist, the Blackberry Merlot. Honestly, I have such freaking cheap alcohol taste. I'm basically still in college with my alcohol taste. I just don't really care that much. I think more expensive alcohol honestly does not taste as good, but I'm honestly just like a beer and wine person mostly. So my wine of choice I would say is Arbor Mist or Barefoot Pink Moscato. I really like that wine as well, but also my favorite wine ever is the Roscato at Olive Garden. I just love sweet red wines in general, but honestly, I'm just a beer girl at heart. My favorite wine, especially in college, I drank it so much, was Bud Light Lime, and Bud Light Lime is still delicious, but I also really love Corona as well. I'm fine with Corona Light. Tucker? I'm fine with Corona Light or Extra, I don't really care, but I just love Corona with lime. It's just like my favorite beer combination ever. You guys don't know how many times I have to stop for Tucker barking. Tucker is my larger dog, he's like the more tan color. Jasmine barks a little bit, but Tucker is like the big mouth of the house. I need to play with this palette more. I've only used it maybe a few times since I got it because of my Pan That palette and Project Pan porn, but every time I use it, I love the look, especially these berry tones. I'm gonna go with Venetian Red in the crease and just kind of blend it in with burnt orange. Next question is from Beauti By Angela, which is one of the girls I'm collabing with, and her question was, if you could choose one beauty guru to chill with for one full day, who would you choose? And this is a really big toss-up for me. I would honestly go with That Girl Shai XO or Raw Beauty Kristi. That Girl Shai XO is actually pretty close to me. She lives in New Jersey and I live in Pennsylvania, so we could eventually meet up. I've actually been watching her since I've been in high school. I'm just going to apply this gold shade to my lid with my finger because I tried applying it wet this morning and I think it just applied better with my finger. But anyway, I love both of those channels so much. That girl, Shai, she does so many awesome, like, really fun tutorials, and I've literally been watching her since she had, like, 7,000 subscribers, and I think she has, like, 300,000 now. And then Raw Beauty Christie, she's awesome as well. I don't love that she does, like, first impression reviews for most of her reviews, but I really love her personality, and I just think she is, like, really down to earth and really sweet, and I'm glad she's getting all the recognition that she has lately. Those are two of my favorite, like, larger beauty gurus. My friend Christy asked me a couple questions. I'm just gonna answer maybe, like, 2 of them. So the first one is, do you want kids? If so, how many? And honestly, I am so unsure of that. I don't really love kids, honestly. I'm okay with certain kids, but I'm just not really, like, one of those people who's, like, absolutely in love with kids and everything they do. I don't know. If I do have kids, I would like to have 2 of them. And I would definitely love to adopt one. I'm all about rescue for animals, so I feel like with kids, it's honestly the same way. I'd be totally fine with adopting a kid. It's about actually like this look more now that I'm doing it than I did this morning. I feel like the orange and the berry are really blending nicely together. The next question is from my friend Christina Arnst _ and she said, what is your favorite movie? And I don't really know. I honestly don't like to watch movies more than like once, maybe twice, but I'm really into scary movies or really dirty humor. I love the Purge movies, honestly. I love them so much. If they come out with, I think I've done like 3 of them. If they come out with like a Purge 4, like I would totally watch that. I'm gonna pop some of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner on my lid as a glitter topper. But I can't really think of like a really favorite movie that I'm like I would never get sick of, because I do get sick of watching certain movies pretty often. My memory card filled up, so I did blend out my crease a little bit and just tightlined my eyes off camera. I do normally not include my winged eyeliner step on camera, but I thought you guys would get a kick out of it. Since I am about 3 drinks in right now, and I thought you guys would just like think it's funny, so I'm going to do my winged eyeliner with my NYX matte liquid liner. This is my favorite liquid liner. I'm trying to use up my NYX Epic Ink liner, but this one is just so much better. So hopefully I can finish that Epic Ink one soon. Alright, I have the lines on. I didn't do the wings yet, but let's take a sip for good measure. Apparently it's a thick wing kind of day. I decided to adjust them a little bit off camera, and honestly that was a terrible idea because I made them a little bit worse. So I just did my mascara and my brows off camera, and I'm gonna go in to start priming my face with my e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer, which really doesn't matter because I'm taking this makeup off probably right after this video anyway because I need to get a shower. For the next question, my friend Nicole Leanne asked, when are you going to come to New York and share some of that wine? But on a makeup related note, is there any limited edition item that you've been talking yourself out of due to the panning brain and regret missing out on? Nicole, I would love to share some wine with you because I feel like we'd have so much fun together. I'm gonna blend this primer in because I feel like I look crazy right now. But honestly, there's nothing limited edition that I really feel like I missed out on, at least that I can think of currently. I do really want the Anastasia Self Glam palette, but I just don't think I need it really. I am, you know, using the Modern Renaissance palette, which does have a lot of similar colors in it and a lot of like actually the exact same shades. So I don't feel like I necessarily need it. I might purchase it for my birthday or ask for it as a gift, but I don't think I'm gonna purchase it anytime soon. So now that I look like a perfect 10 without my foundation blended, I'm going to answer the next question. Totally kidding. But the next question is from Kaylee Fab _ Beauty, and she said, how often do you go without makeup to work, stores, etc.? So for work, I actually wear makeup every day. I am probably one of the only people that does that. I just love makeup so much. And honestly, it's not like I don't want to go without makeup, is that I just set my alarm for the same time every day, and I'm like, I might as well just do my makeup now because I don't want to I'm already awake. I have gone with minimal makeup to work. Honestly, I haven't gone without makeup to work, like without any at all ever, at least to my current job that I've been at for about 8 months now. But I've gone with like just eyeliner and mascara. And it's not like I feel like not confident without makeup, it's just that like I said, my alarm just goes off at a time, so I'm like, okay, I can do my makeup right now. If I set it for like 5:45 or like 6 o'clock, like I could just roll out the door, put some mascara on, and I'd be fine and comfortable. But I just like makeup so much, so I just keep doing it. But for like going to the store or like in public, like I don't care if I don't wear makeup. The next question is from underscore like a banana underscore, and she said, what is your go-to makeup look? And honestly, it's whatever kind of shadows I'm panning at the moment. Currently, I don't really have one because I don't have like a lot of lid shades that I'm panning. I do have like a coppery shade that I included in my finished 4x4th of July, but I can wear that as like a kind of like middle of the lid shade, an outer corner shade if I want like a more like just bronzy look, or I can use it as a lid shade, but I don't really have like a typical look. I would honestly say like my go-to look, if I would like describe myself, is a glittery lid with a warm crease, darker outer corner, and a pop of color on the lower lash line. That's like my go-to, probably favorite makeup look that I do, that I feel like just like fits me very well. And I'm sorry if I'm not looking at the camera directly. I'm trying to, but my ring light's super bright and I honestly have terrible sight in general. So I might be just kind of like looking like I'm spacing a little bit. So I apologize for that. But anyway, the next question is from Jewel underscore mine, and she said, do you have a fitness routine or goals? Anything fitness related would be interesting. I go through spurts where I'm like, oh, I really want to start eating healthy and working out. I freaking hate cardio so much, so I don't really do that very often. And I was in a good place at the beginning of the year, like, you know, like when everyone has their like New Year's resolution goals and stuff like that. I started to kind of eat a little bit better. But for me, I eat really bad, but I don't eat a lot. Like my appetite's very small. So I don't really gain weight. I kind of just maintain, but I would love to lose like maybe 15, 20 pounds. I'm fine with the way my body looks, but I would love to have like a flatter stomach, more toned, like, you know, abs and stuff like that. I just patted my face off camera to save some time. But anyway, I'm going to contour my face real quick with my butter bronzer. So I did apply my blush. I thought my camera was recording and apparently my memory card was full but didn't notify me. And I used my Wet n Wild Ombre blush, which is in my project pan, so I will link that up in the cards right here. But anyway, I did answer Emily's question, but like I said, the footage was not there anymore. But Emily Rebecca 84, my friend Emily, Concealer and Coffee. But anyway, she said, what was your ideal job as a child? And I wanted to be a vet, like a large animal vet for the longest time. And then I realized they had to go through 8 years of schooling plus like externships, internships. And I did not want to go through that. So I eventually just went for business instead. For my next question is from the Main Beauty. And she said, what are you drinking? And what are your favorite types of products to pan? And I'm not drinking anything at the moment. I will probably just have some water, get a shower. And I'm not really sure. I'll probably drink a little bit later just because I've had a very long week and I want to just relax a little bit. Not that you need alcohol to relax, but I just feel like drinking tonight. But I was drinking, I had 2 Blue Moons and then I had Franzia wine, as I mentioned. But my favorite items to pan are eyeshadows. I feel like they're just very fun to pan for me and I feel like very satisfied when I do pan them. Next question is from my friend Steph, or the Daisy Girly, and she asked who is my celebrity crush. And honestly, I have been watching so much Shameless lately, and I really like the actor that plays Lip, which pretty much every girl my age does. I think it's Jeremy Allen White. I do really like him. He's not like my favorite celebrity crush ever. I also really like the Hemsworth brothers. They are very attractive, and the Francos are also very attractive as well. Question is from Russian Bonnie Blue underscore, and she said, how do you meet your boyfriend, and what are your favorite things to do when you hang out with your friends? I met my boyfriend in high school. We've actually been dating for over 5 years now. I met him my senior year. It was the fall of my senior year, and then for my friends, we just like to go out to eat. I do like to drink with them when we can, just like relax, have some wine, have some beer. That's fun as well, but I also love going to the movies. I love going out to eat, going shopping. I'm honestly so boring. Most of the week I just come home from work and shower, watch some YouTube, go to bed. Or I just applied some lower lash line mascara off camera, blended out my lower lash line, and I do have several questions left. Not that many, I think like 3 or so. So I'm just going to do them now. I have 2 questions from Candy Denise underscore, or my friend Nisi. I love Nisi so much. She is so sweet. And she said, what are your favorite shows to watch? Best makeup tip you've ever gotten from a YouTuber? And my favorite shows to watch, honestly, I loved Dexter, Prison Break, Criminal Minds, Prison Break, and Wentworth. Wentworth is so good as well. And the best tip I've ever gotten from a YouTuber, I would say just like moisturize your face a lot and drink a lot of water. I just feel like my skin looks so much better when it's moisturized. If I do not moisturize my skin well, I feel like it looks very cakey. And also just to blend until there's no tomorrow. When in doubt, just keep blending your eyeshadow. I feel like that is also a very good tip that I've gotten from YouTubers. And then the final question is from Pants for Purchases, and she said, what is a pet peeve of yours? And I just really do not like very judgmental people. It really grinds my gears when people judge one another and judge them very, very harshly. So I feel like everyone just needs to get over themselves and just stop judging one another. But anyway, that was the last question. I'm going to just do a very basic lip product because literally I'm just going to take this off and probably just get a shower, relax a little bit. So the product I'm using for my lips is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. This is amazing. I love the formula of this. The shimmer is really pretty, and the smell, it smells like Smarties, candy. It just smells really good, so I'm gonna apply that really quick. I really like the makeup I have on today. I feel like I did my eyes better than I did at 5:30 this morning when I was getting ready for work, sober and also not 3 drinks in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out Angela's and Shai's channels. I love them both so much. They're really great friends of mine, and I think you guys really like their channels. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later.